It is great to see you all again at Wealthy Coins. What will the value of 20 million Shiba Inu coins be in the year 2025? Shiba updates. Following recent developments, the highly anticipated Shibarium is reportedly nearing completion of its development. The Shiba Inu team has announced the debut of their Layer 2 blockchain solution testnet, which has sparked excitement among crypto enthusiasts. The price of Shiba began to rise immediately upon the announcement of the launch of the Shibarium testnet. One reason the coin has done well is the increasing demand for it. As more investors buy Shiba Inu, they are preparing for the expected boom following the product introduction, which is why the demand is growing. To solve the major issue with Shiba Inu depending on the Ethereum blockchain, Shibarium was created. The blockchain solution will enable developers to build on top of the Shiba Inu ecosystem and power it. Consequently, it is a vital utility that continues to increase the Shiba Inu coin's acceptance. This video will discuss the projected value of 20 million Shiba Inu coins by the year 2025. SHIB updates. To stay updated on our latest material about Shiba Inu price forecasts and expert analysis, hit the like button, share it and subscribe to the channel. We will start the video without further ado. According to CoinGecko, the price of Shiba Inu on January 17 surged by 31.2% in the previous 7 days and 15.2% in the last 24 hours. With a price of $0.000012, Shiba is having one of the finest days among the top 100 cryptocurrencies, while being placed 13th in terms of market capitalization. The 24-hour trading volume of the meme coin also increases by approximately 200%, with the majority of these deals taking place on Binance and Coinbase. After the market leaders' rallies, altcoins typically see large price increases, as seen in past market cycles, like Ethereum and Bitcoin, maybe because investors are putting their money into smaller assets with a lower market capitalization. According to data from CryptoQuant, the volume of Shiba tokens put on exchanges saw a huge surge on January 10, with over 14 trillion tokens being deposited. The increase in price today indicates that instead of selling holdings in the spot market, they may be used to open derivative contracts. On the other hand, if the present price movements of the SHIB are based on the futures market, then it may encounter more volatility when long bets start to be sold. The Shiba Inu team just made an announcement about their plans to construct Shibarium, a Layer 2 network that would run on Ethereum, earlier this week. In their project introduction blog post, the developers admitted that although some saw Shibarium as a tool to pump up prices, it is not and has never been the project's objective. Instead, the group claims that the ecosystem's tokens will benefit from faster transactions and lower transaction costs thanks to its new Layer 2 network. Throughout the month of January, the price of Shiba Inu surged. However, bigger periods do not display the best bullish indications, therefore it's prudent to proceed with caution. Investors are focusing on the Shiba Inu pricing because day traders have found multiple good opportunities due to the month's flood of volatility. The market is taking a short break, and the technical indicators are pointing north, while properly demonstrating grounds for skepticism regarding the uptrend's prospective longevity. Shiba Inu is worth $0.00001037 right now. An unusual situation is shown by the Relative Strength Index (RSI), an indicator that compares and contrasts past pivot points to measure the potential of trends. Overbought conditions were reached above the 70 mark during the recent surge, indicating that the indications are unquestionably bullish on the daily timescale. The increase had no effect on the weekly RSI, which is unfortunate. There is a concealed bearish divergence, but the spike is still in the neutral zone. The market's early bulls may be subtly signaling their impending liquidation as they paddle towards a waterfall. A 25% drop from the current SHIB prices might be possible if the recent Genesis point at $0.00000800 were to be challenged. Even more intriguing is the possibility that the smart money will assess the future rally potential of a Shiba to liquidity level above the hidden bearish divergence. The bearish thesis could be disproven if Shiba Inu breaks out above $0.00001516, setting the stage for a rise to the August high of $0.00001793, which would result in a 75% gain from the current market value. On January 15, 2023, many people praised Shiba Inu in the comment thread, with some even going so far as to say it was better than Dogecoin, the original meme token that was created as a joke on Bitcoin in 2013. So far there has been no indication of a market reversal, and Shiba is continuing its current upward trend. Several updates pertaining to Shibarium and listings on a plethora of major cryptocurrency exchanges are likely the primary causes of such an unexpected surge in value. Shiba Inu may have been preparing for a breakout as well. For over 4 days, it has been consolidating at the 200-day moving average. This consolidation may have served as an accumulation period leading up to today's breakout. Nevertheless, David Gokhstein's previous tweets indicate that he alone owns Doge and Shiba Inu. We should expect to see the burning volume continue to rise if the current price movement continues to dominate the market. The San Francisco-based exchange's Japanese subsidiary, OKCoin Japan, extended support for the second-largest meme coin by market capitalization value in early December. Bearish trends persist, and the market is not expected to do much, according to the most recent Shiba Inu coin news. Recovering from this tendency can be a lengthy process for the sector. A massive crypto winter is still on the horizon, according to several experts. While some claim that investors will soon see better days, price targets of $0.0000269 could be surpassed with additional push from projects like DAO, Shiba Inu Game, and NFTs. Concurrently, the price could reach $0.000185 due to the regular buying and selling forces. Finally, if trends turn negative, the price could drop to $0.000102. A surge of wealthy consumers and widespread renown may be on the horizon as a result of the increasing endorsements from retail and luxury companies. As things stand, retail and investors make up the next largest segments after whales, and the spike effect is clearly seen after that. Having said that, the amount that merchants have helped with has been increasing consistently. Thereby the SHIB price could reach $0.000361 if there is a surge in purchase orders. However, the price could drop as low as $0.000305 due to dwindling SHIB statistics and low volumes. With both bullish and bearish targets in mind, $0.000250 would be a good starting point for the average price. Over time, SHIB is anticipated to experience significant growth, provided that the designer's ambitious plans materialize and the platform establishes itself as a prominent participant in the metaverse. One possible price point for SHIB is $0.00004377. An average price of $0.000377 could be achieved if the market responds as expected with purchasing and selling pressures. The negative side is that fear, uncertainty, and doubt FUD might drive the price down to $0.000318 if investors can't handle the digital assets' liquidity on exchanges. Worryingly, the Shiba Inu price prediction has fallen more than 87% from its all-time high of $0.000885. Nevertheless, if the bulls step in, Shiba Inu can reach a realistic high of $0.000259 before the end of 2023, according to Coinpedia's Shiba Inu price projection. The meme coin price could enter a bearish hook and strike bottom at $0.000112 if it succumbs to negative tendencies driven by significant liquidations.